Okay, Algebra 2, Math Excel homework from 2.6.32. Find the value of k that will cause the equation to have the given number and type of solutions. So if we want one real solution, what have we talked about before that we need for the discriminant? So we've got 3x squared plus kx plus 3 equals 0. They want one real solution. So remember what that means is we need to have just one single root, like the vertex is on the x-axis. So this k right here, under the discriminant, where we have that b squared minus 4ac, because there's a plus or minus there. If we're only going to get one answer, then what's under here needs to equal 0. So when you add 0 or subtract 0, you're going to get the same thing. So what's b in this problem? B is k, so k squared minus 4 times a is the 3, times c is this 3. And so we have k squared, 9 times 4 is 36, so minus 36, and that has to equal 0. So if you add the 36 to the other side, and if we have k squared equals 36, then square root both sides, k is positive or negative 6. So which is it, or is it both? Like if you had a positive 6 or a negative 6. So if this was a positive 6 or a negative 6 in there, then you could end up with both of those having the factors. So 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 equals 0, or 3x squared minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. Do they both work? What you're saying is if you factored it, you're going to get the same on both. Now divide all these by 3 just to get some easier numbers to work with here. And we would have x squared plus 2x plus 1. So that would be like x plus 1 and x plus 1. Over here, divide them all by 3 and you have x squared minus 2x plus 1. So that would be x minus 1 and x minus 1. So there's two solutions that we could get here that would both work. So find the values of k. K can take any value in the interval. No, that would be like it's crossing more than once. K can take any value in any other. No, we've got some very specific numbers that we need here. K can take any value in K can take any value. The values of k is or are. So I don't know if you were reading along with me, but that would be down here, this example. And we would list, separated by commas, the two numbers that we came up with, which were the square root of 36, which that was my 6 and my negative 6 for my two solutions. So looking at the discriminant, if we want two solutions, then the discriminant's got to be greater than 0. So we have a plus number, minus number. And if we want no solution, that's where we get a negative underneath there.